news through the night in a few minutes here on BBC One after a look at the wintry weather with Chris Forbes.
This is BBC One London. We're suspending programmes to bring you emergency information on behalf of the UK Ministry of Defence. At 6:26 a.m, the police were called to an armed man who's placed a powerful bomb in New Palace Yard, which is situated outside Westminster Hall and Big Ben. Anyone who's within a mile radius of the Houses of Parliament should evacuate immediately, as the explosion could cause serious damage to buildings in the radius. If you have any loved ones near this, make sure to get in contact with them and inform them about the situation near them and to follow our instructions. We advise you to say it in a calm manner, as not doing so could cause them to be in a state of panic and are putting their lives at risk. If they don't get in contact with you or your family, they would have been informed by nearby police and taken to a safe place away from the scene. We're staying on the air, so please stand by for further information. This is BBC One London. We have more information to share with you. The armed man that has placed the bomb in New Palace Yard is described to be 6 foot and 3 inches and is wearing all black, including wearing a ski mask. It's unclear what the man's aim is, but it's most likely to cause harm to others. The police are currently negotiating with the armed man to not detonate the bomb placed, but the situation is showing no signs of stopping at this current moment. Please stand by for further information regarding this escalating situation. This is BBC One London. This is an emergency broadcast on behalf of the UK Metropolitan Police and the Ministry of Defence. We regret to inform you that the bomb placed by the Houses of Parliament has exploded and has caused most of Parliament to be destroyed. Buildings around Parliament have either been badly damaged or glass has shattered from them. Landmarks that have been heavily affected are Westminster Abbey and the London Eye. Many police officers have unfortunately been killed because of the explosion, with some of them trapped under the rubble of Parliament. Prime Minister Keir Starmer and the royal family have already been moved to a safer location, so they are all okay. Any other politicians in Parliament beforehand were evacuated. The Underground will be affected, with the Circle, District and Jubilee lines heavily affected, with maybe no service in the next few days due to the damage caused to the entrances and exits of the stations at Westminster, especially to Portcullis House, which is across the road from Parliament. A brief statement from Prime Minister Keir Starmer has just been released, and it reads, "We're very shocked to hear about the bombing of the Houses of Parliament just a few moments ago. I was informed on the situation before things escalated and have moved to a safe location. My condolences go out to the friends and families of the officers who lost their lives to save others. Me and the King will be making broadcasted statements shortly." We're now tuning to BBC News for a national news broadcast.